Janine Gutierrez and Jericho Rosales during the 53rd Box Office Entertainment Award. Hello mga ka-chika and hello po sa lahat ng masusugid na manonood. Welcome po muli sa aking channel. Wagi nga po bilang Best Actor at Best Supporting Actress sila Janine Gutierrez at Jericho Rosales for Lavender Fields sa 53rd Box Office Entertainment Award.
Sa Guillermo for recognizing Lavender Fields. Thank you so much. Of course, success po ito ng Dreamscape at isa ito sa mga last brainchild ni Sir Deo. So, Sir Deo, this is for you. And of course, Miss Kylie, Miss Hazel, yung buong team ng Lavender Fields. My cousins. And, yun lang. Salamat din sa mga lola ko kasi sobrang laking inspirasyon nila simula nung bata pa lang ako. And of course, Tito Ricky was one of my first directors. So, mahal na mahal ko sila and mahal na mahal ko kayo. So, thank you very much. Thank you, Guillermo.